Banahene Tutorial Collections welcomes you to another Word tutorials, and in this interface I have a Word document opened, and these are my content available in this Word document. Now, when you are a frequent user or a normal user of Microsoft Word, you could realize that to boost your productivity in terms of creating and modifying your Word document, you need to ascertain, or you need to have keyboard shortcut attached to you. That is, you have to learn how to use keyboard shortcut to speed up your work or your workflow in Microsoft Word. And let's assume you want to identify the most useful keyboard shortcut in Microsoft Word. I have a video in this link that shows you how to use some keyboard shortcut to modify and also create your Word document. But in this case, let's assume you want to learn all the keyboard shortcuts. You want to identify all the keyboard shortcuts in Microsoft Word. I'm going to show you in seconds how to generate these keyboard shortcuts right in Microsoft Word. Don't be fumbled and don't be astonished. It is very simple to do this. You don't need any additional tasks. It's just 1, 2, 3 steps that you need to generate all the keyboard shortcuts in Microsoft Word. Now that I have this Word document opened, you quickly hold the Alt key and the functional key F8 on the keyboard. Now when you do this, this is going to open the macros dialog box, and this is the dialog box we are going to obtain. And we have macros, and we have macros name here, and we have run, step into, edit, create, organizer, and we have other elements here. Don't look strange to this dialog box. It's very simple. What we are going to do now is to move to this field that says macros in. You can press the letter A on the keyboard, or you can click on this drop down arrow, and when you do so, we have all these options available. We are going to select the third option, which is Word commands, and we are going to look for a particular list in this particular field. And to make it very simple to us, you make sure that this field, whatever option that is there, is selected. Then you type list. Now as we are typing the list, we have commands that start with the letter L, and we are going to choose the first available command, which is list commands. And when you do so, we are going to click on run. And when you perform this action, we have another dialog box open that says list commands, and it says create a new document which lists current keyboard settings, and also 2, we have all Word commands. So depending on what you want to do, or depending on your preference, I'm going to select this and then choose OK. Beautifully and also surprisingly, you can see that we have a created table in this new Word document. What shows that this is a new Word document? When I move to the title bar, I have it as document 1. And when you get back to this Word document, we have this table created. We have command name, modifiers, and key. So these are the commands that are available in Microsoft Word, and it has its associated modifiers and also the key, which combined should perform these commands. So when you scroll down, we have a lot of commands available, and when you get access to the status bar, we have 10 pages available, and we have about 1038 words typed in this Word document. So this is how to generate the keyboard shortcut in Microsoft Word. And when you want to have this as a permanent file on your desktop, you can press the F12 on the keyboard, and you can see that we are utilizing our keyboard shortcut. Get access to the desktop or any location you want to keep this particular file, then you click on save. Now I'm going to minimize this, and when I get access to the desktop, you can see that I have this file created on my desktop background. So anytime I want to refresh my mind on some keyboard shortcut, or I want to get intuitive in all the keyboard shortcut in Microsoft Word, I'll just open this file, learn what commands that are there, and start to operate or manipulate them. And this is going to help you to boost your way of using Microsoft Word with keyboard shortcuts. Hope this trick is helpful. Please give it a like, share, comment, and also subscribe for more content on Banahene Tutorial Collections.